Next video, it's going to be Mukbang, a short horror film. The same channel that did the 6-7 AMC official, the 6-7 trilogy. So it should be goofy.
Hi guys, it's me, Carly, and today we're doing the Korean Fire Noodle Challenge. In front of
She does look a little bit like iCarly. Is that like intentional? Like you're trying to appeal to something everybody already knows?
me is 20 packs of Korean Fire Noodles. That's 10,000 calories,
She's gonna eat
10 pounds
that?
of food. The current record, 15 packs in 10 minutes. I've got my timer ready. In 3, 2, 1.
There's no way. She is not. That is no way. Oh. Already? She already
Post a
done?
new food challenge video?
Yep.
Oh, I thought she was dead.
Already has 10,000 likes.
Wow. Congrats.
Thanks.
I don't cheat. The video is edited. Why are you doing it like that? That wouldn't even work. I bet hella people do fake those though, like quite often, I assume, because it's just easier and it's more healthy actually. So it's a weird way to cheat healthfully. Hers. Not your ceiling fan. Oh, that's a tiny camera. Hers here in the way, bud. Call and I'll leak the footage. Who gives a shit? It's not that serious. Do the challenge for real. Live stream. That's insane. My stomach will explode. And she's gonna die. It's exactly what you would think with this thing. I don't know if you cheat.
Hey guys, it's me, Carly, and today is my first ever live challenge, and I thought we would start off by doing the last challenge, but me beating it this time. In front of me is 20 packs of Korean Fire Noodles. Got my timer ready. In 3, 2, 1.
She's popping though. Oh, you can't see because of me. It adds to the story. You're welcome. Is she already gonna die? That was fast. Ew. Ew. Yeah, okay, ew. Ew, okay. I get it. Maybe you can just kind of... She put fucking milk all over it. Stop, stop.
I need more.
Okay, well, she's not gonna die. Just stop eating. Dude, if they snap her neck randomly. Look, they paid her enough for this.
Carly? Carly, are you okay? Well, it looks like Carly bit off more than she could chew.
Okay. Yeah, there's the goofy part. Yeah, these are so dumb. But that was worse than I thought it was gonna be. That was way worse. I didn't enjoy that at all. That was really gross. No, no, they're fun if you're in that kind of mood, I guess. Oh. All right, next video.